Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transportation in Japan. First, understand that Japan's public transport system is incredibly efficient and punctual, making it a fantastic way to explore the country. You'll primarily use trains, subways, and buses, especially in major cities like Tokyo and Kyoto. To make your journeys smooth, I recommend getting an IC card, which works across most systems. This guide will help you navigate with confidence. Navigating Japan's extensive train and subway networks is straightforward once you know the basics. Be aware of different train types, such as local, rapid, and express, as they stop at varying numbers of stations. Station signs are clearly marked in both Japanese and English, making it easy to find your platform. For planning your routes, utilize popular online maps or dedicated transit apps. They provide real-time information and platform numbers. While trains cover long distances, buses are excellent for local travel and reaching destinations not directly served by train lines. When boarding, you can typically pay using your IC card by tapping it on the reader. If paying with cash, ensure you have the exact fare, as drivers may not carry change. Always check the bus routes and schedules in advance, especially in less urban areas, to ensure a smooth journey. Observing local etiquette enhances everyone's travel experience. It's customary to maintain quiet inside vehicles, so avoid loud conversations and phone calls. Always offer your seat to elderly, pregnant, or disabled passengers. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, perfect for reading on your journeys. With these tips, you'll be navigating Japan's public transport like a seasoned traveler in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.